to be in the space that I'm in right now, you gotta show that you worthy of being here. You gotta put in the work, and you gotta let folks see you growing. You feel me? Before I respect you, I ain't telling nobody to respect me. You know, you respect me, you do. You don't, fuck you. You know what I'm saying? Alright, man. Y'all ain't gonna believe this shit here. Hold up. Yeah, y'all ain't gonna believe this shit. Look at all these bill of ladings, man. Look at all these bill of ladings, man. It's a bunch of them. Fuck it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, it's 10 of them. You feel me? It's 10 bill of ladings on here. I'm about to pick up 10 fucking calls. I'm about to pick up 10 calls, man. Now, who told Maverick to send me on a load where I gotta pick up 10 calls? I don't know who told them that. But I'm literally about to pick up 10 calls right now. So I wanted to show y'all this shit. You feel me? It's kind of loud in here, so I'm not gonna sit here and try to talk to y'all while I, you know, get secured up and stuff like that. So once they start to bring the shit, once I build my cradles and shit, and they start to bring the calls, I'll just talk to y'all outside. Let me get up out of here, man, because it's loud up in here. I done got beside a rag-ass truck. I'm gonna get on the other side, man, because it's doing too much. Alright. So this is what I'm picking up, man. This is what I'm picking up. I just wanted to show it to y'all. This bullshit. You know, I never picked up a load like this. It's kind of weird, but it's good. These are two different coils. So I got just one in the front, but it's 2. Then you got 2. Then you got 2. Then you got 2. I got 9 coils on me right now. They said I was picking up 10, but I got 9. So I'm about to finish securing it and shit, and I got a tarp it, so I'm gonna tarp it. Hey y'all, watch this. I'm about to take his spot. He tried to get in, but he can't get in. I don't know why he keep on trying it. I'm finna take his fucking spot. I'm sorry. I got to because he the one wanted to be a bonehead trucker and try to do a 360 in a space where he couldn't even do it. You feel me? To get up into this spot, I gotta show him. Stop being dumb. Stop being dumb. I'm taking his spot, man. I told y'all I was taking this spot, didn't I? Oh shit, my truck's still in neutral. I told y'all I was taking this spot. Sorry, I ain't sorry, nigga. Yeah, that's what you get for being a bonehead trucker. And this is probably the last spot here too. No cap, this is probably the last freaking spot. And I'm getting it. Yes, sir. Christmas came early, baby. Alright, man. Here we go. Oh shit, why my shit look like that? Fuck it. Alright, I left this last securement on here just for y'all, man. My glove's so damn dirty, look. Let me show you. This right here could make or break you right here, man. You could be on your way to your next load, or you could be on your way to a hospital with this right here. Watch this. Woo! Shit. There we go. I just wanted to show y'all that we gonna talk after I'm done with all this. After I'm done putting all these securements, so we gonna talk.
Most people do not engage in a methodical process of questioning, evaluation of assumptions, investigation, information.
I decided to play it safe and I shouldn't. In a hoodie with my face all crooked. Suckers hate, it's all goody. They just wanna say what you shouldn't, say what you couldn't do, but look it, they softer than pudding, sweeter than a chocolate chip cookie. So I punch they number like a bookie. They wishing they could cook me, they wishing they was fishing and could hook me, they wishing they could tell their man they took me. But looky, I'm always in protect mode. I keep my enemies, frenemies in a yes mode. I don't have time for these suckers that be in yes mode. You playing checkers, I'm sorry, but I'm in chess mode. Damn, laced up, check. Bags packed, check. Make moves, check. Sorry, mate. Laced up, check. Bags packed, check. Make moves, check. Sorry, mate, check.
The stakes are very high. Find the juiciest principles. I want you to think of yourself as a general standing on a battlefield. And your task is not just to win the battlefield that's right in front of you, but to win the larger campaign, the war that you've been tasked to win. Now the question is, what kind of a general are you? A successful general is a highly strategic general. He's the one that will win the battle and go on to win the war.
Black man, yeah, black man, yeah, what's up? Black, hey black man, yeah, what up? Black, black man, yeah. I'm proud of you, brother man. Even when you fail, you find another plan. They cut it off and you say you got another hand. They cut it off and you say you got another leg. Man, running a quick sprint. They tell you that you can't do it, you say get bent. You bout to pitch a tent, you bout to build a fort, you bout to get a brick. Other dudes did it slow and you did it quick. Other dudes did it foul, you did it legit. You be getting funky on them suckers, I'm feeling the scent. Let it air out, give them the vent. Everybody wanna see you fail, they feeling the burn. You tell them it's your turn. You been on it for a minute, this is your earn. You been on it for a minute, this is your score. Kept your mind on the grind and your money in the floorboards. A black man, yeah, a black man, yeah, a black man, yeah. I'm proud of you, black man. A black man, yeah, a black man, yeah, a black man, yeah. I'm proud of you, black man. You in a dog fight, you doing really good since you did this all night. Black man, I see you in a tight space, and they wonder why you always got a straight face. Black man, I see you with the gold grill, big chains, big rims on the old whip that is so ill. Go ahead, black man, I wanna see you win with that ill black tan. My brother, my keeper, this is for my people. I ain't got an ego, my G, cause I see you. Listen and believe me, my G, hey, we need you to feed all the people the knowledge that they seeking. Black man, Egyptian, and African, you ain't even know that. Don't forget you got a throne, brother. I rock with you, you ain't never on your own, brother. I love you, a black man, yeah, a black man, yeah, a black man, yeah. I'm proud of you, black man, a black man, yeah, a black man, yeah, a black man, yeah. I'm proud of you, black man, black man. I'm proud of you, black. You're an entrepreneur, you a go-getter, you a hustler, you a father, you a brother, you a family man, you a leader, you a hero, you a superhero, you at the top of the class. Tip your crown, brother, I see you, my brother.
Appreciate it.
Oh, one more thing, black woman, I love you, black woman. You're beautiful, black woman. Keep being black, black woman. You glow, you shine. I'm yours, you mine. You beautiful, you fine. Good Lord, oh my, black. Yes.
is the Legion.
Once again, I'm on my grind, cause money's always on my mind, and they don't wanna see me shine. I know. Let's go. Haters gonna hate me, you can go ahead and hate me. Ain't no way you're gonna try to take my glow.
Yes, I'm 007 in the Maybach. KLS Superman in my spaceship. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that. I'm 007 in the Maybach. KLS Superman in my spaceship. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that. Yeah, it took a lot coming from the bottom. They was like, Thony, yo, you such a problem. You so Medusa, you looking, you got 'em. Stuck like stone, see how you got 'em. Don't let it go to your head. Don't let it get to you, dog. They don't even know what you've been through before, or who was in your corner when you was still broke. Kill them all, the killer will kill them all. I'ma treat it like a fruit, I'm willing to peel them all. Killing it, peeling off, I'm feeling it, willing off. They be saying they the realest, but really ain't real enough. My day-to-day is loco, it's never so-so. I'm an entrepreneur with the brain work. I gotta get it from a seed, come a fan, gotta eat. Day-to-day, I'm trying to learn how the game works. The pedigree is better me, we got a feet. Better believe I'm a level ahead of your breed. Better believe I'm a level ahead of your G. Better believe in the devilish me. But I don't mean Satan or nothing, I mean a pissed off kid that'll call your bluff. I was a pissed off kid before I even really knew what it meant. We either take all or nothing.
Once again, I'm on my grind, cause money's always on my mind, and they don't wanna see me shine. I know. Let's go. Haters gonna hate me, you can go ahead and hate me. Ain't no way you're gonna try to take my glow.
I'm 007 in the Maybach. KLS Superman in my spaceship. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that. I'm 007 in the Maybach. KLS Superman in my spaceship. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that.
Shine like the popo lights, shine like the pup show lights. Niggas wanna steal my shine, but they cannot do it like me. They cannot do it like we. Kill a nigga L-I-V-E. Make cake like Lil Debbie. Rock a Lil Bezzy and get my fam out the fucking hood. Goddamn, they hate you ain't doing good. But love when you at the bottom, dealing and robbing. Going through problem at the problem. Like they problem should be your problem. See the problem, that ain't popping. So I op 'em with no option. Cause my opportunity locked in. Make mills like John Stockton. That's NBA, never broke again. I remember not getting like the Olsen twins. Trying to look good for these so-called friends. But all them so-called came to an end. And I will never pick them up again. Nope, I just won't. Look how me and Thonio flow. After we cut ties to those ropes, we ghost, nigga, let's go.
Once again, I'm on my grind, cause money's always on my mind, and they don't wanna see me shine. I know. Let's go. Haters gonna hate me, you can go ahead and hate me. Ain't no way you're gonna try to take my glow.
I'm 007 in the Maybach. KLS Superman in my spaceship. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that. I'm 007 in the Maybach. KLS Superman in my spaceship. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that. They don't wanna see me shining and they hate that. Yeah.
Should you respect somebody that show you that you just shouldn't respect their ass? That's what we finna talk about, man. And by the way, you made it to the end of this video, because this is about the end of the video. Go ahead and subscribe, man. I'm gonna do more of this discussion type of talk more often and shit like that. So go ahead and get into the comments and let me know if you should respect somebody who just shouldn't be respected. They literally show you all the time, every action, everything that come out of their mouth, that you just, I can't respect you. You gotta earn your respect with me. You know what I'm saying? Let me explain what I mean by this, because I don't respect nobody that don't deserve to be respected. Me, I don't. You can kiss my ass. You know what I'm saying? So let me explain. Hold up. What I mean by you shouldn't respect somebody, well, I ain't gonna say you shouldn't, but I don't. So the reason why I don't respect somebody that shouldn't be respected is plainly because, bro, I did it to myself. I was at the, nigga, I took myself to the bottom. When I got out of college, oh no, when I was going to college, when I got out of high school, my mom and my dad, they took me to UAB, University of Alabama at Birmingham, in Alabama. I told them that I wasn't coming back. You heard me? Like, bump your rules, bump this, bump that. I'm not coming back. I'm a man. I'm about to figure this out on my own. You know what I'm saying? So I've been at the bottom. I done slept in my car. My girl done slept in my car with me. We done slept on the floor. You heard me? All that good shit. I've been at the bottom, bro. Didn't know, and while I was at the bottom, there was nobody sitting here respecting me or, you know, just all that colorful shit, all that good shit. I didn't have that coming up in life. Where I'm at right now, I feel like to be in the space that I'm in right now, you gotta show that you worthy of being here. You gotta put in the work and you gotta let folks see you growing. You feel me? Before I respect you, you feel me? I didn't come into, let's say, the trucking industry. I didn't come into the trucking industry already just basically, what's the word I'm looking for? I didn't come into the trucking industry like, oh, y'all gotta respect me because I'm one of y'all, or some crazy shit like that. You'll get truckers look at you crazy as fuck. That your whole trucking career, you know, you cut them off or something. You ain't even gotta be doing shit, and a trucker will be mad as fuck at you for no reason. You know what I'm saying? In this industry, this is a male-dominated industry. If you're gonna come into this industry and think that folks gonna respect you just because you are you, then you got life fucked up. You know what I mean? You your own unique person, but it's 7 billion folks in the world. Why the fuck should I respect you? You know what I'm saying? Give me a reason to respect you, man. Like, take me for instance. I ain't gonna toot my own horn or nothing like that, but take me for instance. I'm in the trucking industry now, and I work my ass off, you heard me? Like, somebody put in the comments how, you know, I'm doing the YouTube grind and shit. I gotta shoot the video. I gotta edit the video. You know what I'm saying? And that is a lot of fucking work, hours of work. And on top of that, I'm doing this, like, this is a strenuous job, you feel me? And then it takes toll on your body, you know, all that good shit. I'm doing what I gotta do to get to the place that I wanna be in, you heard me? So, I ain't telling nobody to respect me. You know, you respect me, you do. You don't, fuck you. You know what I'm saying? I'm not telling nobody to respect me, but I'm putting in the necessary work. So when you come on my channel or you see me in person, you really got no choice but to be like, that nigga do his, like, he do what he supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? You could not like me. I could be the worst person in the world to you. But after you tell somebody how I'm the worst person in the world to you, you gotta follow that up with, but that nigga, he a hustler. That nigga do what he's supposed to do. He real though. I don't like him. I don't like what he say sometimes. I don't like this, that, or the third. But he real though. You know what I'm saying? I'm not telling you not to respect folks, because I respect folks. You know what I'm saying? If I meet somebody right now, I'm gonna give them the utmost respect. Why am I gonna give them the most respect? Is because if they disrespect me, then it's up from there. You know what I'm saying? I go 0 to 100. It ain't sexy, it ain't, you know, it's just me. You know what I'm saying? I could deal with that until I learn how to cope with it. I go 0 to 100. So if you disrespect me, it's up. So I'm gonna always respect you because I want you to treat me the way that I treat you. If I come to you with disrespect, I expect you to disrespect back. I expect you to, you know, for lack of a better phrase, to die about that shit. You know what I'm saying? So if you come to me with respect, then I'm gonna respect you back. You hear me? Respect is earned. Remember that shit. Don't let nobody tell you no different, because that's the way of life. Don't nobody give a fuck about you until you become somebody. Keep that in mind, man. Otherwise, too wrong.